Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Like this. Yeah. Okay, one more. And 1, 2. Next. 3. Right. 3. Is a very beautiful place and nature around us very beautiful, and for us this is very important because in my country now is war, and this is understand I need just the positive, yeah, and some good emotion, yeah, good than in Ukraine, and my wife and me just miss for our parents and our country, and every day we worry about our people and our parents, our friends. Will work here, I will work here or no, but now I have a good good feeling, and this today I did what I did in my country, and this is very important, yeah, really important for me, and I like teach some students, some children. In Ukraine we have 3 dance schools. I want to say a big thank you for your support, for your emotion, for your everything, because when we went to the island, you understand, we have just 1 pants, 1 shoes, you understand, and t-shirt and short, and that's all.
Vi ska gå med, vi ska dags.
Vi ska inte.
Ja, runt det för att vi har någon så klart.
Ja, för när man har en tand vassa som